This fun? So today we're doing a 04 Grand Prix oil change. You're going to be using this oil filter, NGL 51040. This is your oil filter.
That is not the Fram one.
Not the Fram. We don't use Fram because the Fram was dented last time. And you're gonna use 5W30 if you want to. If you have high mileage, just get high mileage. And this motor takes 3.5. And what size is the motor again?
3.6 liter V6.
Yeah, that's what I was about to say. It ain't no V8. It's a 3.6 liter V6. If you do want to see a video on how to install this, it's not a good how-to, but kind of get the reference on how to install this. Is very simple, very easy. You will need to tighten this down the road. The video is like a couple weeks before this one, and that's how you do it. We also replaced the alternator, battery, radiator flush. We did the air intake, cleaning throttle body. This is the second oil change done to this since we've had it. And there's the old oil filter. As you can see, it's sitting right here. The only thing you have to do is take the wheel off in order to get this oil filter out. And that's pretty much simple. It's really helpful if you have a torque gun. Are you good? You can fit underneath there, can't you?
Yeah, there.
And there is this like front brace right here. You want to use that for your jacking on your car. We did remove the shielding underneath here. It does make your stuff a little bit wobbly, but nothing like zip ties can't take care of. If you want to use zip ties, we have zip ties on a couple of our cars. But yeah, so you need to take this wheel off to get to the oil filter. If you use one of the strap things, just be cautious, because when we use a strap thing on this, it did break, which that is one of the sucky things. Oh, we didn't check my dipstick on my truck. But open up the cap, put this in, dipstick's here.
14.
You're good? 14? Okay, here we go. All right, we're gonna get to work. You need a 14 mil socket.
I want to say it's a 14.
We're gonna see if it's a 14 mil first. Yeah. All right, you're gonna need a 14 mil socket. Get it off.
Oh my god.
Is it tight on there?
Get the bar out of my back.
And it may be a little bit too tight sometimes, because older vehicles are. I gotta pop the trunk. How low this thing is. But it's always helpful to have an old bar in your toolbox. Pull it off. It's always a plus. Let's get this bar out. As you can see, we got a whole bag full of zip ties in there for whenever we need it on our cars. Bars, sir. Okay. Hi, Rocco. Got it? You get it?
Bust a nut.
Did you bust it? I don't get it on yourself. Okay.
The oil pan is filled with, has oil all over it.
Yeah, because your car's old as can be. I guarantee you got a gasket leak or somewhere. You need new suspension. Also, there is a video on how to redo the brakes. We already redid the brakes and everything, and it works perfectly. Right, Zach? You got a little bit on yourself.
I need the.
Alright, I'll be right back. Now, since the strap thing broke on us last time, you're going to do the hillbilly-ish kind of way.
Good old hammer.
Hammer
time.
And you get your sharpest Phillips.
You went from the side last time.
Yeah, I messed up. I'm just gonna hammer it in so you get it all the way through. Ow, hit my hand.
screw.
I don't know which way it turns, so. There it comes. I'm going higher up this time. It shouldn't leak that much as it did.
See if it turns now. Are we going the wrong way?
Hi. Counter is this way. That's which way it is. So you're gonna lube up the edges. We were tightening it. We feel kind of stupid. You don't gotta get in there. Around the brim. Alright, screw it on. Right. You're loosening it. Other way. There you go.
Give me a paper towel.
We're some kind. Oh no! They're coming for us. You want to clean up your metal?
Oh, also, I need to clean up the thing so I can put it on all the way. Turn off the GoPro. Before you hold the thing.
So his motor runs on 3.5. We'll fill it up with 4 because it is an older motor, so it probably does burn. Wish that's all right. Oh, well, yours has a
Comes with the dumbass seal.
You done?
Hold that. Oh, I can see right through my engine. I wonder why.
Alright. Whoa. Don't spill.
It goes right in the engine. It doesn't do anything but go in the engine.
Yours goes through the headers. Mine goes through. That just let that roll out. Did you clean this out before you did this?
No, I told you you're talking about it.
No, before you did yours off of mine. It's not smart. See how much oil you've used?
Almost there.
You're almost there?
2 right now.
Alright, so
I have 2 left.
Alright, so one more should be good. And check.
Nope.
Nope. Good. Huh?
I mean, yeah, but
Just a little bit more should be good. A little bit more should be good. You want to grab me a towel so I can wrap it?
And now I'm gonna tighten that bottom one with the ratchet. I totally forgot to tighten with the ratchet. I just hand tightened it.
Alright. Oil's done.
That's done.
Oil's done. See you guys later.
That's it for that video.
So that's how you do an oil change on a 2004
Grand
Prix
Prix.
with
It's 04 to 08 with a 36,000 or 38,000 Series.
36,000 series.
Series 3, not Series 2, Series 3. All Grand Prix have the 3,600, but later versions have Series 1, Series 2. I have the Series 3 for this.
Okay, you can turn it off now. I can't shave my face today. Hey, your oil is not circulating through. Don't do that.